So we use the maps for two reasons. One is for war gaming out a scenario. Quite often something's not been done before, and there are lots and lots of different ways of doing it, and actually by being able to sort of war game it out with lots of people participating, we really can narrow it down to 2 or 3 really useful options. The second thing we use this for is for doing rehearsal of concept drills or rock drills, which allow us to step through time week by week or month by month and to see how we might roll out a deployment. So these models are just bring the map to life. So here all the orange ones represents all the airports, and when you start to look at it, you can see that the Solent area is really quite busy. So you've got the 2 international airports, but then we've got another 4 or 5 other airports, and we've got 2 helipads as well. So it's a really busy airspace, and that just makes it clear. It makes them pop out on the map. But also, as you can see, they've each got a little holder, and that's to allow us to add different antennas, different detection kit, and just really demonstrate how we would improve the EC or electronic conspicuity detection map.